Hello there. Tonight I've come out to the beautiful Somerset town of Kilve, and let me show you what I've come out for. This is Kilve Beach. It's currently about 10 to 6. Sunset is 6:38, I think it is. Something's biting me arm. Oh, damn midges. Yeah, sunset is about 50 minutes away. So I'm going to head over, and what I want to do is get out on the rocks just on the shoreline down there. Tide is actually going out. You do need to access this at low tide, and it does come in really fast. The downside with this place, there is a fair bit of silt and mud. Guess who's forgot the wellies? So I've got my boots on. I'm probably going to end up wrecking my boots. But yeah, join me shortly out by the rocks down here. I've got the drone, so I'll put the drone up and I'll put a bit of footage on for you now, and I'll catch you down there. This is one of my absolutely favourite beaches. It is incredible. I missed it this year, but just there, I'll turn you around, there's an outcrop that actually points out to sea, and March, September time, you can get the sun to set right at the very edge of it. It looks fantastic, it does. It's great here for kids because there's fossils in all these rocks. Mainly ammonites, but there are a few little dinosaur fossils, there's footprints and stuff. It's great for the kids to come and search for them. You find them everywhere. You actually walk all over them. It said on the news that there's Saharan dust in the atmosphere again. As you can see, I'm in a t-shirt. It is, I think, the 6th of October. The little mini heat wave we're having is why I'm out in a t-shirt. The sun, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, maybe a bit too bright still, it's just that orange ball. I'm going to put a polarising filter on, and we should just get that bright orange ball in the sky. There's lots and lots of very light, high, wispy cloud, which I'm hoping is going to give a beautiful pastel orange and pink. But for now, I'm going to try and find a few little spots, some nice detail in the rocks and stuff, and see what we can catch. Betsy's off after crabs. Oh, here she is. She's just coming back now. She's off again. Let's turn you around. There goes Betsy. So I'm going to head up just a little bit farther over here. I'm trying to miss all the silt, so I don't want to sink in it. It's awful stuff it is. It just glues to, like I've used coming wellies, and it just glues to your wellies. So, but we should get some nice reflections on the water and in the sand and on the rocks there. So I am fancying the chances with some beautiful photographs tonight. I'll get set up and I'll show you what I'm doing. A quick little shot as I'm walking over. The texture, I'm going to face away from the sun. You've got all this big slab of rock here, and so there are fossils all through it, all throughout everything here. With some lovely detail, the way the sand's just been rolling back towards the sea. And we've got this little clump of seaweed just down here, and I'm just going to frame up a simple shot, this in the bottom left hand corner of the frame and just looking out. The sky is starting to go that little bit orange now as we're coming into golden hour. It does look beautiful, it does. You can definitely see the Saharan dust in the atmosphere now, because you can actually look at the sun, it's like an orange ball. So it does look fantastic. I'm going to make my way over towards these rocks here now. I'll put this shot on for you now, just to have a quick little look, and join me over here. Enjoy. Well, I still haven't made it over to these rocks yet, where I want to be. I've just saw there's like green seaweed on the floor. Let me turn you around this way, you might just see. There's green like seaweed on the floor, as well as orange stuff, few rocks, and then looking out to the sun. This looks absolutely gorgeous, this does, on the camera. I'm going to have to do a focus stack because I want to try and just focus down here. And I'll do another one massively underexposed for the sun. Let me show you the back of the camera if I can, because I'm facing the sun, so this may not work. But I'll try and talk you through it anyway, what I'm doing and what the shot is. It looks absolutely beautiful, this. Let me just brighten this scene up a little bit. So my first shot is going to be just down here, on this seaweed here. And I'm going to shoot this at just a third of a stop overexposed, just to bring detail in the blue rocks and hopefully get a bit of green and orange. So I'll take that shot there, and then I'm going to focus on the sea just out here, hit the focus button, and I'm now going to underexpose massively, and that is almost 2 stops underexposed, just so that you can actually see the sun as a little dot and it's not blown out. We'll take that shot and I'll merge these together just in Photoshop as a HDR. It looks incredible. This looks absolutely fantastic, this does. I can't wait for it to go down a little bit more and start lighting the sky up. It looks fantastic. Well, we've made it down to the rocks. What I'm loving now is this line of rocks just popping out into the water, and it's not quite pointing towards the sun. It would be a nice shot actually, a bit earlier in the summer when the sun sort of sets a bit farther around towards the right. It could be a nice shot there, but it still looks beautiful here. Again, I'll talk you through the back of the camera. I'm getting really excited here. It looks fantastic. The sun is about to go down behind the hills, so I'm rushing about now trying to get shots. And I'll talk you through this and show you what I'm doing. It looks fantastic. So again, I am going to overexpose the first shot because I do want to try and get detail in the rocks down here. So for this, I am 2 shots overexposed at f11. And just make sure I'm focused there. Actually, I may just focus on that rock there. I'm going to check this shot. 2-second timer's on. And now I'm going to focus first of all on the far rock. This will give me infinity out towards the sunset. But I am now going to underexpose, 1 stop underexposed, and you can see detail in the sky which looks amazing. Again, 2-second timer's on, and I'll put the shot on for you right now. Looks beautiful, it does. As you can probably see now, we are losing the sun. It is just about to go behind the hills, and I'm hoping the sky is going to light up next. I'm just looking around now for another composition. There are millions here. It's just trying to work out what's in your head and what you fancy. It does look absolutely stunning now. I love this beach. It's absolutely fantastic. I think I'm going to try and just come down here and try and line something out close towards the water. I am just a little bit far away from the water here. The tide's going out. Here's Betsy, absolutely loving it. She's searching for crabs. Betsy has a thing for crabs. She loves to just crunch on them, and it sounds awful, and just all the guts just fly out of her mouth. Oh, makes you feel sick when you're watching her, but she absolutely loves them. She knows we're talking about her. Look. Come here, Betsy. Come here. Come here. No. Oh, her nose is up. She smelled something. A couple of ducks just over there. So she's got the scent. Look. Bless her. Join me down here, and we'll see if we can line something else up a little bit closer towards the water. And let's hope that this sky does light up. It looks incredible. Well, it's time to make a hasty retreat. I've just had a run from down there. I was going to show you the back of the camera, but I can't. The tide is coming in, and it does come in really fast here. So I've just run back, and we have another little area just there. It looks absolutely fantastic. I just love it. I love the orange glow that's just on the floor down here, amongst the blues and the browns and the oranges of the seaweed. It looks fantastic. I'm in awe. It's just beautiful here. There's colour coming in the west. The sky, I was hoping, was going to go that pastel orange up in the top and maybe pink. It hasn't gone just yet. So I think I'm going to move round. Again, I'm going to take this shot quick because the tide is coming in and I want to move up a little bit farther. So I'll get this shot quick and I'll put this on for you right now. Drop me a comment below if you like it. I'm loving this. The sky is lighting up beautiful now. I'll just turn you around and show you. It looks beautiful, it does. Let me just show you the back of the camera quickly as to what I'm shooting with these rocks down here. I'm loving it. Again, I've got to try and be quick because the tide is coming in. I'm going to shoot this first shot probably almost 2 stops overexposed, again just to get detail in the rocks and bring the blue out down here. And then my second shot is going to be wild and almost 2 stops underexposed, just to bring that blue and the orange. It looks fantastic, it does. I wish the cloud to the left was lit up, but it's not. But I'm not going to argue, it still looks stunning. Absolutely beautiful. I'm now going to make a little bit of a runner because the tide is coming up towards my feet again. So let's get running. Well, I think that's it. So the tide is coming in. I have got a fair way to go, and I got caught out here a few years back. I thought I had plenty of time to get back up to where the cliffs are. And literally I was having a slow little walk and all of a sudden the water just started overtaking me. So I am going to get going quick before it does come racing in on me. It's absolutely beautiful here. If you do want to come here, just literally get off the M5 and follow the A39 towards Minehead if you're coming from the north. Hinkley Point, the nuclear power station, is just up the coast there. If you go on to any tide time app, if you click on Hinkley Point, you will get tide times for months in advance, because they have to issue it, being a nuclear power plant. So whereas everywhere else is literally 5, 6, 7 days, you can get past that by going on to Hinkley Point. The colour is just fading now in the sky, so I think I am done. Please check out the links in the description below. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, tell your friends about the channel, and I'll put these, I'm just trying to miss all the silt. I'll put all the images on now for you. Enjoy, drop me a comment which one you think is the nicest. I love them all, to be honest, they all look fantastic. If you have a favourite, let me know. Until next time, take it easy. I'm going to go and find Betsy, has just run off. I think she's got a dead fish or something, she's just run off with it. So, fingers crossed she doesn't throw up in the car. Till next time, take it easy.